Welcome to today's daily message. In the first reading for today's Mass, taken from the Acts of the Apostles, we hear about Paul and his preaching in Athens. Of course, we know that Paul, according to the Acts of the Apostles, had very little success in Athens. But anyway, he is preaching and he makes reference to an altar that he saw at one of the shrines in Athens. And there is an inscription on this altar which reads, "To an unknown God." And Paul gives a rather lengthy reaction and witness to what he sees in that inscription. These are his words. "The God who made the world and all that is in it, the Lord of heaven and earth, does not dwell in sanctuaries made by human hands, nor is he served by human hands because he needs anything. Rather, it is he who gives to everyone life and breath and everything. He made from one the whole human race to dwell on the entire surface of the earth. And he fixed the ordered seasons and the boundaries of their regions so that people might seek God, even perhaps grope for him and find him, though indeed he is not far from any of us, for in him we live and move and have our being." What Paul is saying to the people of Athens and to us as well is that our God is not an unknown God, that our God is close to us. Our God is so close to us that God is in us, and in him we live and move and have our being. What this means is that every breath we take, every step, every heartbeat, every thought, every word, every action that we take are signs of the presence of God in us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day today.